I think you need good
looks.
Good looks and good looks.
What was the toughest part of the selection process? Was becoming cabin crew always your dream, or did it happen by any chance? How did your family react when you told them about this career choice?
My parents were like very sad because
But I applied for transfer in July.
Very important question again for parents also.
ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि आसमान की वेट्रेस है. That's not even 10% of the job. To sit and look pretty.
The passenger, he started shouting and he was like, my son, he doesn't eat Indian breakfast. He needs omelette. And and I am saying this one more time. Please don't forget to say thank you. And I have done Dimapur flights a lot of time, and it's very peaceful. People are very respectful. So thank you so much, whosoever is watching this video from Nagaland. Coming back. Wait. Okay. Wait. Don't say.
साथ बोलो.
My
What's harder, smiling non-stop or standing long hours?
smiling non-stop.
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you on Mayank Uncut's channel. Today we have Shruti, Prinisha, Mayank Uncut, and behind the camera there is Fofi. And we will take approximately 40 minutes to reach our destination, and it's gonna be a bumpy ride. So please keep your seatbelt fastened at all the time.
The crew today speaks fluent sarcasm and a word of advice. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vlog.
What's up people, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. मैं भी बहुत अच्छा हूँ. Okay, bye. Anyways, आप लोग कैसे हो यार?
Very well.
Very, very
ठीक है,
well.
आप ही का घर है. So yeah, sorry. Okay. So for a change, your brother Mayank Uncut is sitting at Prinisha's and Shruti's house. क्योंकि मैं अपने घर से बहुत बोर हो चुका हूँ. I really wanted to go out. And सबसे पहले मेरे दिमाग में ये आया कि मैं तुम लोग के पास आ जाऊँ. कुछ गलत तो नहीं किया मैंने?
बहुत अच्छा थॉट है.
ज़्यादा रुका नहीं लड़कियों ने मेरे को. We only waited for 3 hours for this, but it's fine, totally cool. तो आज का टॉपिक होने वाला है. It's not a podcast, but we'll discuss about how to get into aviation और ये cabin crew line में. And you guys are doing very well in this field. So तुमसे अच्छा और कौन होगा हमको बताने वाला कि you know how to get in, क्या difficulties आते हैं if anybody wants to you know get into this industry. So what all do you need and etc. Shall we begin with the questions? Alright. मैं कितना खराब होस्ट हूँ यार. सबसे पहले आपको अगर कुछ बोलना है तो आप बोल सकते हो to my viewers. Please. मैं ही बोले जा रहा हूँ. Alright then let's just start. हाँ चलो ठीक है. एक let's do a brief intro for new subscribers. So please tell us who you are.
I am. I don't think we should start by me. I think you should start.
Well, I am Mayank Uncut. I do
Vlogs.
daily vlogs. I have a YouTube channel, as you can see. Shruti, please.
This is Pranisha.
And this is Shruti.
Pranisha is.
What?
Pranisha is my best friend, and I'm hers.
Yeah, she's my best friend, Shruti.
मेरा brother का girlfriend भी है.
Oh yes, sorry.
Let's begin.
Okay.
Alright, start करते हैं. बहुत ही general question है पहला. How do you prepare for the cabin crew interview? Who wants to go first?
Shruti.
भाई ऐसे धक्का दे देती.
सही है भाई. बस के नीचे किसको फेंकना है? श्रुति.
सबसे पहले ट्रायल एंड एरर.
Alright then, how do you prepare for the cabin crew interview? क्या क्या चाहिए होता है मतलब? I have no clue.
I think you need good
looks.
communication.
Good looks.
And good looks. I think yes, you need that. But you also need few basic communication skills. You need to be a good human being first.
Basic.
Very patient.
Oh.
Like because it's a very long interview. It takes almost an entire day.
Okay.
तो patient होना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है. और इसमें क्या कोई प्रोसेस भी होता है क्या? Do you follow any process like step 1, step 2, step 3?
I guess there are 4 rounds, no? Yeah, there are 4 rounds. 3 साल पहले
But
दिया था.
first you have to register online as well.
Yes.
Can you please tell my subscribers? I'm sure काफी लोग plan कर रहे होंगे because it's a very growing industry.
I guess there is a web. You need to go to indigo.careers का website and then you need to register. You need to look for the closest location जहाँ पे interview is being held, and वहाँ पे select करके you need to register for the interview.
Okay.
And after that, it's a walk-in interview.
अच्छा.
Yes.
So once you register, you get a call or a mail confirmation.
Yes, we get a mail confirmation.
Alright. ठीक है. So do you have to upload anything like pictures and?
No.
No. Okay.
Just basic details
CV.
and basic details.
अच्छा, CV वगैरह. Moving on to the next one. What was the toughest part of the selection process? I think Princess should go first.
Toughest
Princess.
part of selection.
हाँ, सबसे tough
BMI
क्या?
round.
कौन सा?
BMI round.
हाँ मतलब हाइट एक क्राइटेरिया होता है ना, हाइट और वेट रिक्वायरमेंट का.
अच्छा.
And scars check.
Oh yeah.
Your skin.
Oh,
And
अच्छा.
टीथ.
And group discussion. No?
हाँ, आई साइट,
Teeth
वाई
मतलब पूरा
साइट,
पूरा अच्छे से अंदर
दांत
अंदर.
वगैरह, टैटूज, फिर आई साइट,
Tattoos.
टीथ,
अच्छा, तो
ये
ये
सब चेक होता है.
okay.
स्कार्स.
Alright. So ये सबसे टफ पार्ट है.
Tough part. Oh, and group discussion.
अच्छा, ग्रुप डिस्कशन. तो प्रिनिशा कितना वेट होना चाहिए किसी का if they want to, if somebody wants to join?
Like they should be under their BMI.
अच्छा, मतलब जो भी BMI है उसके
Should be like
अंदर.
according to their height. They should
Oh,
be
okay,
under
okay.
their BMI.
तो स्ट्रिक्टली BMI का रूल ही फॉलो होता है.
No.
It's not like 50 kg, 40 kg ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
Okay, alright. Cool then. ठीक है, next one. Was becoming cabin crew always your dream or did it happen by any chance or compulsion?
It was not. I
तो-
used to work a 9 to 5, तो मेरा तो नहीं था.
अच्छा, तो how did you get into this?
I was just bored with my 9 to 5 job.
Alright. Corporate ना पूरा.
Yeah, and I used to work from home. तो
हाँ.
बहुत बोरिंग था.
कहाँ घर बैठे हो आप, कहाँ उड़ रहे
कहाँ उड़
हो?
रहे?
बताओ यार. और प्रेषा आपका?
For me, yeah, it was a dream.
अच्छे से
But
एविएशन.
then, yeah, first, I thought I'll become a makeup artist.
Hmm.
But then I switched to cabin crew.
Makeup artist. As you can see, she's very good with that. But तो साइड में you can do it if you're really passionate. But anyway, ठीक है, जब राइट टाइम आएगा तब अपने आप हो जाएगा. आई थिंक जब बोर होने लगेगी ना, जस्ट लाइक यू 9 to 5. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट वन है, हाउ डिड योर फैमिली रिएक्ट व्हेन यू टोल्ड देम अबाउट दिस करियर चॉइस? या दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. क्या वो लोग क्या सोचते थे?
They were happy about that. They were very supportive. So इतना तो कुछ भी नहीं था.
मतलब चिल था.
Yeah.
और विश्वकर्मा जी?
मैं तो सिंगल चाइल्ड हूँ, तो माय पेरेंट्स वर लाइक वेरी सैड बिकॉज आई वाज मूविंग आउट एंड दैट टू अलोन. तो सैड एंड दे वर वेरी वरीड आल्सो कि मैं कैसे करूँगा ना सब कुछ अकेले. तो दे वर वेरी वरीड. पहले तो बोला कि नहीं करो बोल के ना, फिर जैसे तैसे मनाया बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू गेट आउट ऑफ देयर.
अच्छा, घर से. ठीक है. जो आपका 9 to 5 जॉब था, दैट वाज कहाँ पे था? दिल्ली में या कहाँ पे?
उसका हेड ऑफिस पुणे में है.
अच्छा, तो यू वर इन पुणे.
नो आई वाजंट इन पुणे, आई वाज वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम.
अच्छा, वही होम टाउन. ऑलराइट, कूल. ठीक है. देन पेरेंट्स चलते हैं मतलब, है ना? ऑलराइट देन, मूविंग ऑन. व्हाट डज अ टिपिकल वर्क डे लुक लाइक फॉर यू? मतलब कैसा होता है तुम्हारा लाइक स्टार्ट टू फिनिश डे?
Very exhausting, but then work is like an escape. And especially when you work in aviation, you don't really get hold of the time. Like कब बीत जाता है पता ही नहीं चलता. It still feels like 2-3 महीने ही हुआ है इंडिगो ज्वाइन करे हुए, but it's been 3 years. तो
प्रिंशा को कितना टाइम हुआ?
same, we joined together.
ओह अच्छा, तो फिर तो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. बट ये जैसे आप लोग का रोस्टर आता है राइट? तो कभी भी मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, पुल आउट?
Pull out.
दैट्स द प्रोफेशनल टर्म ना.
Yes.
सो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता आपको, जैसे लैक ऑफ स्लीप? मतलब फिर बिकॉज मेरे हिसाब से बिकॉज ऑफ स्लीप यू कैन गेट सिक ऑल्सो ऑन इन द आगे चल के, तो उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता आपको?
लेकिन हमारा स्टैंड बाय टाइम ऑलरेडी रोस्टेड होता है ना.
ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल, तो इन अ वीक कितना काम होता होगा ऐसे, लाइक रफली हाउ मेनी आवर्स, आई मीन हाउ मेनी डेज इन अ वीक? लाइक 2 days, 3 days you work, 4 days?
It depends.
Sometimes 4 days, sometimes 6 days, sometimes 5.
स्लीप में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता है फिर? Do you guys get enough sleep? That's what I want to ask.
Yeah, it depends on how you manage your time. So time management is very important.
Okay, so you can sleep anytime.
Yes,
Can you?
I can
मतलब
sleep,
हो जाता है, talent है वो तो.
talent ही है. Thank you so much.
Alright then, next one. ठीक है. How long are your shifts on average?
10 hours.
10 hours.
on an
That's a
average.
lot ना. 10 घंटे उड़ते हो तुम लोग.
और लेकिन हम 10 घंटे उड़ते नहीं है. हमारा साइन इन से साइन आउट टाइम
अच्छा.
10 घंटा हो सकता है.
So the moment you enter the airport, है ना?
Yes.
So the next one, काफी जो लड़कियां होंगी उनको ये जानने में बहुत इंटरेस्ट होगा. After how long can you request change in your base location?
Base location. When I joined Indigo, it was like 6 months.
No. When we joined, it was 1 year.
It was 6 months.
No, it was 1 year.
1 year.
Mm.
Oh, but it was like after 6 months you can apply for
No.
transfer.
It was 1 year.
But I applied for transfer on June. Sorry.
Guys, ये लोग ही confused है.
No, I started flying from December. We started flying from December and then I applied for transfer on June.
How did you do that? Why did I not know?
Yeah, I applied after 6 months but it took a whole lot. Sorry, क्या बोला?
मतलब पूरा साल ही लग गया. Year.
It took a whole year to get transferred.
Okay, so it's a process like एक year तो
But you
देना
can
पड़ेगा ना.
apply after 6 months.
अच्छा.
But it will take a year.
Okay, so you can apply after 6 months, but it could take up to a year. मतलब 6 महीना और ना आगे.
मैंने तो 1 साल बाद अप्लाई किया था. मेरे तो 2 महीने में आ गए थे ट्रांसफर.
अच्छा, तो आपने फिर बाद में अप्लाई किया ना. Okay, so it's kind of so 1 year का टाइम मान के चलो. Alright, next one. How many off days do you usually get in a month? Day off, yeah.
6.
In a month, 6. 6 तो ठीक है. It's a good number, man.
6, but sometimes your standbys can get maintained, or maybe you'll get a blank after operating a red-eye flight.
So on an average, it's like 10,
10, 12.
10, 12.
Red eye flight. What is that?
Like you are taking off at night but landing
In the morning.
अच्छा, ये तो बहुत लंबा हो गया यार. अच्छा, ठीक है.
उसके बाद तो एक दिन छुट्टी डिजर्व करता ही है.
सोल्जर्स थोड़ी है.
Almost.
चलो ठीक है. Next, what is the biggest misconception people have about cabin crew life? Very important question again for parents also. Please answer wisely.
ये तो मैं बहुत इंटरेस्टेड हूँ जवाब देने में.
हाँ, तो प्लीज आप ही स्टार्ट करो फिर.
People usually think like it's very glamorous, you know. All we need to do is serve, and it's very glamorous. You just need to sit and look pretty, but it's not like that. It's much. That's not even 10% of the job to sit and look pretty, but like we are trained for so many things. अभी जैसे क्रैश वैश हो रहा था अभी लास्ट ईयर. कितने क्रैश हुए थे? काफी हुए थे. I don't remember in numbers, but काफी हुए थे. So उस emergency situations के लिए prepare करते हैं, and then you are taught मतलब first aid and everything that can happen to you on a flight.
Okay.
You're trained for everything because there's nobody else, and people sometimes fail to acknowledge that. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि आसमान की वेट्रेस है.
Oh, that's the yeah. ये तो गलत है. But लोगों को ऐसा लगता है.
It's actually a very hectic job. It takes a lot.
which comes with a lot of responsibility.
It comes with a lot of responsibilities. 4 लड़कियां 180 लोगों का ख्याल रख रही है. It's and including the cockpit. Like the entire aircraft is in their hands. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं वो. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है. And Prinsha, do you have anything to say about this? Any misconception जो तुझे लगता है कि ये सबसे बड़ा misconception है? हवा की वेट्रेस बोलते हैं ना
Just
ऐसा.
to think that you get to travel and all, but it comes with a lot of responsibility and sacrifices.
हाँ, ये तो सही बात है. So yeah, there you go. Your answer. So next one. What's the most memorable passenger experience you've had? पहले बताओ good.
Good.
Yeah, ये तो रेडी था बैड के लिए भाई. पता है रेडी थे ना तुम लोग. कौन जाएगा पहले? Good है भी?
I need some.
है good.
नहीं है.
अच्छा नहीं है.
है.
अच्छा है.
Like ऐसा in general तो याद नहीं है, but there are a lot of good passengers, a lot of nice passengers who मतलब हमारे लिए ना ऐसा as such कुछ ऐसा बहुत बड़ा gesture करने का जरूरत नहीं है.
You just look and smile. That
Yeah,
also
just
matters
greet
a
us
lot.
back when we greet you.
Okay.
Yeah.
इतना कुछ बड़ा धमासान करने का कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. कुछ क्यों ही करेगा कोई? But if somebody is being nice to you, the easiest thing that you can do is be nice to them.
Yeah.
And also, please say thank you.
अच्छा कोई बोलते नहीं है.
No.
Okay.
And show some courtesy,
And respect.
respect, and some kindness.
Okay.
Just show kindness. I guess kindness is enough. Because it takes a lot, because everyone goes through a lot every day. It's not, easy to be nice to everyone, but just thoda sa empathetic hone ka.
And also, please don't expect that we can get anything for you on board. For example, omelette. Because there was a passenger, I was flying from Ahmedabad, it was Ahmedabad to Goa, and then that passenger, he started shouting and he was like, my son, he doesn't eat Indian breakfast, he needs omelette. And
मैंने तो तुमको पूछे नहीं बैड एक्सपीरियंस इसमें पहले ही बताने लग गई. बट चलो विल स्टार्ट विद प्रिनिशा. यस.
And he was asking me for omelette, and I was like, I don't have a kitchen or a gas stove here, so that I can just prepare omelette for his son.
But did you say that out loud?
And of
And then-
course I did not. But I was like, but what? And I was like, we don't have omelette.
इससे खराब एक्सपीरियंस है कोई तुम्हारे पास?
इससे खराब. I guess we have a lot, but it just.
Okay, then one bad experience, Shruti.
Bad experience as such वो भी मुझे याद नहीं है. मतलब है बहुत सारे हैं.
अच्छा.
मैं बोल दूंगा तो बहुत खराब हो जाएगा.
मतलब बहुत ज्यादा है यार.
बहुत ही ज्यादा है. I cannot say that out loud in public. But बहुत सारे हैं यार. मतलब including passengers, including अपने colleagues, बहुत सारे हैं experiences. But then everything, like every job comes with a price.
Yeah.
And it is a part of adulting, I guess. So it's okay.
Alright guys, so there you go. जब भी आप लोग किसी कैबिन क्रू फ्लाइट पे बैठते हो, so show them some respect. I know a lot of my viewers are from Northeast, तो वहाँ पे तो इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता होगा.
नहीं,
They have a lot
never.
of civic sense ना.
Not at all. They're very respectful, and you know what? Like, I feel so happy whenever I see some Northeast flight in my roster. Because it's a very peaceful flight and it's not hectic at all. People are very respectful and kind. And I have done Dimapur flights a lot of time, and it's very peaceful. People are very respectful. So thank you so much, whosoever is watching this video from Nagaland.
अरे प्रिनिशा ने थैंक यू बोल दिया. अभी तो बोले थे मुझे थैंक यू बोलो. Guys, I request you all, even if you're from Nagaland, please comment thank you Prinisha. ठीक है? But वैसे अगर ये वीडियो कहीं उड़ता हुआ कहीं बीच में लैंड करता है तो प्लीज, मेरे को पता है आप लोग नहीं करते हो ऐसे, बट अगर कोई करता है आप जानते हो तो उसको बोल सकते हो कि they are also working really hard
Yes.
to make your flight very
And
comfortable.
I am saying this one more time. Please don't forget to say thank you.
Okay. Thank you Prinisha. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
अब तो थैंक यू बोलना पड़ेगा इसको, इसने खाना वाना बनाया हमारे लिए.
Please comment thank you. Please.
Thank you Prinish.
If you support us.
Yes, please comment thank you.
Alright then, moving on to the next one. What's the best perk of being a cabin crew?
Staff travel. Staff travel usually is like subsidized amount, like fares that you have to pay for flights
Okay.
as an employee. So मतलब if you are an employee with the airline, you get subsidized airfares. तो मतलब बस
It's
taxes pay कर.
very मतलब
Yes.
it's
So we get
prices
cheap
good, like
cheap flights.
I was not about to use that word cheap, but आपने use कर दिया तो we'll do that only. Very cheap rates. ठीक है. सस्ते में आप ट्रैवल कर सकते हो, है ना?
बट ट्रैवल करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता, वो अलग कहानी है, बट मिलता है.
तो that's the biggest perk ना.
Yes,
सस्ते में
I
कहीं भी
guess.
मतलब वर्ल्ड वाइड कहीं पे भी.
Yes, and you get to explore a lot. Like you meet people from different cultures every day.
Okay.
You get to work with people different people every day, which comes as a perk and also as a
It's a drawback also.
drawback as well.
Okay. ठीक है. Next, what's the biggest challenge of this career?
Sleep.
Tanisha is very particular about her sleep.
नहीं, मैं भी ऐसे थोड़ा anxious हो जाता हूँ अगर जैसे
Sleep
sleep
and-
नहीं होता है ना.
Time management.
Okay.
Because you don't get to eat on time every day. You cannot, you know, plan your day.
डे तो भूल ही जाओ ना. डे क्या नाइट क्या कभी भी हो जाता है ना.
Sometimes I don't remember when it's Monday and when it's Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
I don't remember.
जेट लैग बोलते हैं ना.
Yeah.
एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
I guess for me, it's like जैसे मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बोला ना, like team building नहीं हो पाती है properly क्योंकि we fly with different people every day. And to work as an organization, I guess it's very important to build rapport with your employees, like colleagues.
या
तो वो नहीं हो पाता. Everything else is fine, I guess.
ठीक है. देन
But that's a good part for me.
That's a good
oh.
part,
I
yes.
don't have to work with the same people every day. Yeah.
टू डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटीज. बट ठीक है, चलो आपको डिसाइड करना है आप कौन से वाले हो. ठीक है. चलो देन नेक्स्ट वन. डू यू सी योरसेल्फ डूइंग दिस लॉन्ग टर्म और इज इट जस्ट स्टेपिंग स्टोन टू समथिंग एल्स? कितना सोचा करोगे ये?
ये तो मेरे को ट्रॉमा ही दे दिया ये सवाल. ट्रिगर ही हो गई मैं तो.
भाई सॉरी.
नहीं मजाक था.
Trigger हो गया.
कुछ तो ट्रिगर हुआ लेकिन. आई गेस मैं तो पहले से एविएशन बैकग्राउंड से नहीं हूँ ना, तो आई गेस आई कैन अडेप्ट टू कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर इज वेल, बट डिपेंड्स अगेन बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक माई जॉब. No matter what it comes with, I love my job. I'm not talking about the organization or the airline, but in particular, my job
ओके.
is great.
Wow.
So you
Yes, I am so proud. Like people tell me, no, ki why do you not do your CPL? Ye wo. I don't want to do it. I want to be a cabin crew. Why should I not be proud of it?
Yeah.
I'm very proud of being a flight attendant.
So you are in this for a very long time then.
Not really. I've not really thought of it, but if
Starting.
yes,
And what about you, Princess?
For me, though, I don't think so. I can do 9 to 5
Okay.
job, or I can get into corporate or something like that. So yeah, I want to fly.
ठीक है.
More
तो
pilot.
लेकिन शायद तो फिर लंबे टाइम के लिए ही है ना. पायलट बन
हवाई
के मानेंगे.
सुंदरी.
क्या बोले?
Now,
हवाई सुंदरी.
हवाई सुंदरी. ये दिस इज द टर्म. या
हवाई सुंदरी.
बेस्ट
I want
हवाई
to be
सुंदरी.
Hawaii Sundari only for a long time.
Yes.
ओके. ठीक है. We'll do a quick rapid fire. Okay.
Okay.
एक साथ बोलना. Let's see तुम्हारा रिप्लाईज मैच करता है कि नहीं. ठीक है. विंडो सीट और आयल सीट?
I'll see it.
ठीक है. टी और कॉफी इन द स्काई?
Coffee.
ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन टू फ्लाई टू?
Georgia.
Sorry, I'm late, but
Acha, dream destination
टू फ्लाई टू.
to fly to. That does not have anything to do with Indigo.
ओके. नहीं, with your airline of course.
Oh, with my airline, I guess Manchester or Amsterdam.
For me, the Georgia.
Georgia. ठीक है. Again. साथ में बोलना. ठीक है. One must have item in your cabin bag.
Cabin bag. Wait. Okay. Wait. Don't say.
साथ बोलो.
My body mist.
उसने बोल दिया.
Oh shit, sorry. My body
Hand
mist.
cream, body mist, comb.
One था one.
Oh, one
But कोई
time.
बात
Body
नहीं.
mist.
But it's also important.
One group हो गया ना.
I guess toiletries, essentials.
Okay.
Okay.
सबसे ज्यादा important है वो तो.
ठीक है. And worst food you have had on a flight?
Sandwich.
इसने क्या बोला?
Sandwich.
सैंडविच. तुम लोग तो इतना शौक से बेचते हो उसमें सैंडविच, चिकन सैंडविच, और वही सबसे खराब होता है क्या?
I don't.
We don't know.
Best food you have had on a flight?
Crossover.
Best food? croissant. लिखना पड़ेगा क्या क्या
I
बोल.
guess yes, that is the most edible and the most.
Most edible? What do you mean edible यार? बाकी क्या है?
I mean, no, everything is edible only.
फंगस होता है क्या लगा हुआ?
नहीं, everything's good. Everything's good, but that is the most plain, safest thing to eat.
अच्छा.
Plain होता है ना, it's like no masala, nothing thing. We don't eat masala, no.
This is getting really interesting and funny for me, and I hope you guys are also enjoying since the vlog is kind of long, but bear with me. मज़ा तो आ ही रहा होगा. कैमरे के पीछे जो लोग बैठे हैं उनको भी बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. ठीक है, लेट्स कंटिन्यू दिस सेगमेंट. ऑलराइट, रेडी? साथ में बोलना और जोर से बोलना भाई. ये डर, तुम्हारा घर है, डरने की क्या बात है. ऑलराइट देन, मॉर्निंग फ्लाइट और नाइट फ्लाइट?
Morning flight.
Turbulence or crying baby?
Turbulence.
Alright. Favorite layover city?
Georgia.
तूने तो बोला नहीं. Don't do that.
मैं वही बोलने वाला था, but I knew कि she would say this.
नहीं, तुम दोनों को बोलना है साथ में और जोर से. ठीक है. One word passengers use the most.
Water.
Water. Sorry, I don't get it. Okay.
Uniform or casuals?
Uniform.
Long haul or short haul?
Long.
Long.
Alright. What's harder? Smiling non-stop or standing long hours?
Smiling non-stop.
ठीक है. Alright. First thing you do after landing?
Check my phone.
ठीक है यार, ये तो प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो कर रहे लग रहा है. बट ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, वन थिंग यू मिस मोस्ट व्हाइल फ्लाइंग?
My home. My home.
Sorry.
नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट्स मोर फन, टेक ऑफ और लैंडिंग?
Landing, of course.
वन मस्ट हैव ब्यूटी स्किन केयर आइटम ऑन फ्लाइट्स?
Moisturizer.
जेट लैग क्योर, स्लीप और कॉफी?
Sleep.
स्लीप आ जाता है? अच्छा ठीक है.
बहुत ज़्यादा आता है.
ऑलराइट. वन कंट्री यूड लव टू सेटल इन इफ गिवन अ चांस?
Georgia. I love Georgia.
अच्छा है क्या इतना?
बहुत है. आप, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ, आप लोग भी चले जाओ.
जाना पड़ेगा. लगता है हनीमून वहीं करना
Free
पड़ेगा.
honeymoon.
Very peaceful.
फ्री हनीमून?
हाँ. नहीं, free honeymoon.
चलो देन, मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग?
First day.
Customer service.
ओके. व्हिच कॉलीग रोल डू यू एडमायर मोस्ट? कैप्टन और ग्राउंड स्टाफ?
Ground staff. They work very hard, extremely hard.
अबे प्लेन उड़ाने से ज्यादा हार्ड क्या होगा?
नहीं, प्लेन उड़ाना इज मतलब इट्स मेंटल वर्क, नो, मोस्टली, बट दैट इज फिजिकल लेबर दैट यू डू. बारिश में, धूप में.
ऑलराइट. तो किसी को भी अगर पायलट बनना है ना, प्लीज पायलट मत बनना, ग्राउंड स्टाफ बनना है. ठीक है. बट एनीवे, जस्ट किडिंग बाय द वे. वन फूड यू क्रेव आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग फ्लाइट?
Dalle.
Dalle is food.
No, dalle and rice.
Yeah.
Dalle and rice?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, dalle means it's a chili, Nepali chili, just like
Dallo.
king chili, Naga king chili, ghost chili. So next, a passenger behavior that instantly makes your day?
Kind, if it's kind.
Okay. If not cabin crew, then what?
Makeup artist.
I don't know. अब फिर से ट्रिगर हो गया.
Gym trainer वाला?
हाँ, कर सकते हैं.
Alright then, rapid fire यहीं खत्म होता है. And बहुत मजा आया, मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आया, आप लोग का पता नहीं. और डायरेक्टर लोग कैसे हो? प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर अच्छा था? ठीक है. अब ठीक है. I have few more questions for you, and then we'll end the vlog. Okay? All right. Who takes the longest to get ready before flight?
Pranisha.
Why is that?
She takes. It's been 3 years. She still wakes up almost like an hour and a half before her flights
Okay.
because she takes 1 hour to do her makeup.
Oh,
Not
अच्छा.
only makeup, wearing uniform, wearing scarf and everything.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Have you ever spotted a celebrity on board?
Yes.
Which one?
I remember is that cricketer. His name is Ajin Rahane, I guess.
ठीक है. Prinsha, do you remember?
Yeah, maybe Pariniti Chopra.
Pariniti Chopra. Oh,
But I've met this also, Kalki.
Kalki Koshinen.
Yes.
All right, cool. A word you use way too often on flights?
Thank you. Welcome.
Welcome to Indigo.
Chala. One thing passengers do that secretly annoys you?
When they press a lot of call bells.
Has this job changed your personality or confidence level?
Yes.
How? If you can just, मतलब one liner.
I guess it boosts your confidence and your personality. Overall personality development होता है because
अच्छा.
again as I mentioned.
Training में भी हो जाता होगा ना?
हाँ. Because
करते
you're
हैं.
trained for it. Like you need to have a good personality, so you're literally trained for it.
Okay. Which airport do you love the most and why?
Which airport?
Delhi. Leh. It's very very pretty.
Alright then, यही था जो मुझे पूछना था and if you have more questions to ask, comment box is all yours. वहाँ पे कोई पैसा नहीं लगता, आप कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. हाँ, रिप्लाई नहीं आएगा. रिप्लाई आएगा, अगर हो सके तो they will reply, if not then I will. And anything you guys want to tell my audience if they want to step into this industry, anything जो भी उनको use हो सकता है, so please. And also to those parents, if they are watching, if you guys want to send your daughter or son to aviation industry, तो प्लीज़ उनके लिए भी बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा जो भी टिप्स आप दे सकते हो कुछ भी और एडवाइस ना. एंड या आई हैव रिसीव्ड DMs ऑल्सो कि प्लीज़ आस्क प्रिनिशा एंड श्रुति टू क्या क्या चाहिए होता है. तो नाउ इज़ योर चांस एंड जो भी आप लोग को ऐसे यूजफुल लगता है, बिकॉज 3 years इज़ अ लॉट यार, काफ़ी होता है एक्सपीरियंस. तो प्लीज़ स्पॉटलाइट्स ऑन यू ना.
Be confident. Please take care of your skin, your health, and take care of your hair.
So aesthetically you have to be very presentable, right?
And don't be scared of the interview. It's just that you're talking to people. People are talking to you. It's just that. And be very confident. Be very mindful of what you're saying.
Be very well groomed.
Be very well groomed and be very. I'd say be very mindful because honestly I would suggest कि if you have worked somewhere else, don't defame or don't talk bad about your previous company because it does reflect a lot of your personality in general. So just in general, just be a very nice person. You'll get through it. It's very easy.
Even if you're
Things are
not,
easier
then
with
fake it. Even if you're not.
I guess things become easier when you're just kind, when you're nice, when you're true to yourself. So if you really want to do it, go for it. And parents who are skeptical about this job, it's actually a very nice job and we really enjoy doing it. We really do everything from our heart and we work very very hard. It really teaches you hard work. It teaches a lot of things to you. You get a lot of exposure and in general there's a lot of learning from it. So ऐसा मत सोचो कि मतलब कैबिन क्रू है, क्या है, इधर से उधर घूमना है, इधर पानी देना है, बस ऐसा नहीं है. उसके आगे भी हम बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं.
And Shruti, I will stop you here for a moment, okay? I'm sorry. But also I really wanted to ask you because I think ये बहुत ज़रूरी है जानना for girls, guys and उनके parents को. How's the pay? I mean pay scale इस industry में?
Pay scale is
Good.
decent. I
Okay.
wouldn't say it's great, but it's decent. हमारा तो चल रहा honestly. Like we wouldn't mind more money of course, but it's a decent pay honestly.
Okay, decent.
Yes.
All right. And also I would want to ask you when your initial phase, okay, when you were giving interviews, so what kind of questions do they ask? So this will be very helpful for people.
Why do you want to be a cabin crew?
अच्छा ये पूछते हैं.
What do you think about the cabin crew?
Yeah.
Okay.
And मुझे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, if not a cabin crew, what do you want to be? वही वाला क्वेश्चन. उस टाइम पे मैंने कुछ तो बोला था, ऊट पटांग सा, I remember.
ऊट पटांग बोला but select हो गई.
हाँ.
It's generally कि वो आपका communication देखना चाह रहे हैं. That's it. It's a conversation, right?
It's very basic.
ठीक है. So इससे डरने वाला कोई बात नहीं है. And interviews are like this only. The way I'm asking questions and they're replying ना, it's like that. So ऐसा कोई वो सोचने का बात, डरने का बात नहीं है. They're just people, man. You don't have to be scared. क्योंकि इतना बड़ा आई नो इट्स वेरी ओवरवेलमिंग
मैं तो उठ पटांग इसीलिए बोल के आ गई, पुरानी क्यों
बट अच्छा बोला ना जो भी बोला, ठीक है। एंड या प्रिंशा, आपको अगर कुछ बोलना है तो आप बोल सकते हैं।
What did you do yesterday? Tell me how was your day? And what are your hobbies?
ओके
It's a basic question.
okay, all right, so yeah, there you go, and just be very good with your communication skills and rest तो हो जाएगा ना।
And maintain eye contact and don't forget to smile.
ओके या हाँ, स्माइल तो किसी भी फील्ड में अच्छा है क्योंकि हॉस्पिटैलिटी है एक तरह से, तो या यू हैव टू स्माइल।
And be a good listener.
ओके, ऑलराइट, कूल देन। श्रुति, प्रिनिशा, थैंक्स अ लॉट, आपने मुझे टाइम दिया एंड उसके बाद आप मुझे खाना देंगे, मुझे पता है ना, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर यू नो बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंटरव्यू, एंड ऑल्सो आई लाइक टू डू इंटरव्यूज लाइक दिस समटाइम्स, जिससे आप लोग को कुछ लर्न हो, पता चले एंड कुछ हेल्प हो मेरे ब्लॉग से, नॉट जस्ट यू नो आई एम गोइंग हियर, आज ये लगा दिया, आज इतना खर्चा कर दिया। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, this is very important for all of you, and according to me this is a very nice job, it's a very decent job, और ऐसा कुछ मत सोचना कि नहीं अगर एयर होस्टेस है तो ऐसा होगा, it's dangerous, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। it's a very secure job man, it's very, security is very tight, right, and they are safe, आपकी daughter और son भी safe होंगी, so don't think about that, and yes, go ahead, क्योंकि Instagram में जो फोटोज होता है ट्रैवल का वो भी हमें बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं भाई। चलो then, having said that, once again thanks a lot, and I will end this vlog. If you like this video, this interview, then don't forget to press the like button. After that, please hype the video. उससे मेरे जैसे creators को, जो new creators हैं, उनको बहुत help मिलता है, तो please hype it. And then, as usual man, press the bell icon to never miss any updates, okay? Till then, this is your boy Mayank signing out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
comment, share.
You heard the lady, okay? चलो, bye bye.
Cut, cut.
कट बोलता है, अरे क्या बात है डायरेक्टर साहब, ओके। ठीक है, कट हो गया अभी, आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं?
नहीं.